I was afraid of failure. I was afraid to show my face on video. I was afraid to hear myself on video. I looked at myself and I was like, oh my God, just like tonight, because of where I work, I work 12 hours today. I'm tired, but I look at it like this. It's better to be a little tired now and figure this out and change my life as I go over the next year or 2 years than to be stuck in my day job to where I'm just completely exhausted. I'm working for someone else. I've got to ask for time off. If I'm sick, I'm using my vacation time because where I work, all of my time is banked into one category. So no matter if I'm sick or it's a vacation day or like a holiday, I have to take it out of this bank. Therefore, I only get one vacation a year. And I didn't want that. I felt like I deserve more and you guys deserve more. So if you take the time to learn